Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amafans Auto TV. You go Altapa, keep it to a Premiership. Richards Bay 2, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Bramcho.
Tibo, what a beautiful game between the Pirates and Richards Bay.
Sure, man.
Yeah, but mathematically, see Chiefs, we are still there.
Yeah.
Now in a position, mathematically, you're in a position too. We can still see Singer. Yeah, because Singer came the Pirates in 26.
Yeah, sure.
So we going to go to Sizodal, going to Mugitolo.
Pirates.
Because of Chiefs, Matala and the Pirates.
Yeah.
We're going to fight. Yeah.
We are Babulala.
Sizobabulala, the position too.
Yeah.
I need to buy the position 2 by 35 years.
Sure.
So imagine it's
so we can say chi.
It's this car so good to buy a number 2.
So we can say chi.
No man.
Yeah, sure.
Mapagania are Kalika cool buffet. In 51 point, 52 Sundowns, we are still in race to second. In race in the second between the Pirates and the Sundowns.
Yeah.
But other than that, we are costing for life.
Ufunile kithatho ubani mthu angaze ngakubuza la.
Inleyo.
Ufunile kithatho ubani?
Iliki mele ithathwe iKaizer Chiefs.
Man, ayi.
Sure, mfethu.
This season ngimela this.
This season iliki izothathwa iSundowns.
iSundowns.
Yeah, I mean iSundowns they know how to take the league.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, bayazi njengamanje babalile yabona.
Yeah.
Ukuthi how they take the league. Baloko bawina ngale 1-0.
Yeah.
5 games bathola 12 points they know ukuthi bayithatha
kanjani.
Yeah, so it's tough yona but iSundowns iyakwazi ukuthatha league.
But the Pirates ingakhohlwa Fanda.
No, Pirates is still on. Sesekhona na, ikhona na. Yeah, fight strong.
Ngiyathola. Man of the match bekubantu mani.
Man of the match izoyinikeza icoach le Richards Bay.
Upapi.
Yeah, uplay ne grand. Yeah. Ukhonile ukuthi Pirates ayibambela isiswini yabona. Yeah.
So great.
Grand.
Yeah. Usho right.
Ni right. Test Galaxy. We are there on Sunday. FNB sotholana khona phezulu madoda amakhulu. Thank you.
Thank you, man.